Newliners, Lauren here. Today, we're going to learn how to change the default settings in your embedded whiteboard. This is a great way to personalize your whiteboard experience so that every time you open it, your favorite tools and backgrounds are ready to go. When we adjust these settings, it means you can customize your background, writing color, highlighter, and eraser, and it will all be set the way you like it automatically every time you open Whiteboard. In the bottom right-hand corner of Whiteboard, you will see a settings cog or wheel down here. Go ahead and tap on that to open your whiteboard settings. At the very bottom of this list, you will see an option labeled Default Settings. Go ahead and tap on that. Here's where you can personalize your whiteboard experience. You can set preferences for your background color and pattern, your smooth pen color and thickness, your highlighter color and thickness, and your eraser type. Choose between partial and whiteout or object erase. For example, I'm going to choose background, color, green, pattern, notebook paper. I'll use the back button here. For smooth pen, I'll choose white, medium, go back one, highlighter, yellow, medium. And for eraser, I do prefer that partial erase. We'll use the back button again to get back to our whiteboard here. Now that I've set those, they will be my default tools every time I open Whiteboard. Ta-da! Just like that, my preferred setup is ready to go. Setting your default settings is such a time saver and lets you focus more on teaching and less on tapping through tools. Go ahead and try it out. Your whiteboard, your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.